Guys, it's your girl Shasha back on the camera, another video. If you're new to my channel, you already know the routine. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. We are getting ready to eat at the restaurant Hard Rock Cafe. If you haven't been there, I highly recommend that you try it. So I'm gonna catch up with you guys once we get there. I'm not really sure what else that we're going to do out here, but yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So changing plans, guys. We have made it to the underground station. That's where we're going first today, and then we'll probably go somewhere different later. But right now I'm about to give you guys a view, and we're about to get started. Y'all, look at the birdies. It's a city gear in the mortar right here. So if you haven't been underground, you can basically take the train over here. And you can do like different stuff out here. I mean, it's a lot to do. It's the city, baby. Y'all, we are headed to Foot Locker. So I guess the actual underground theme, which goes underneath the ground, is closed. So we pretty much just run around the block, went to Foot Locker. They didn't have nothing we was looking for, and Yandy down there, she's opened a store called Yale from Love and Hip Hop. So she had a grand opening. We had just stopped by and got her some ice cream. So I think we're getting ready to finish walking around the city, and then probably go off for some food eventually. Yeah, it's ice cream. No. It's like Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops, strawberries, vanilla. You don't feel like going all the way to the crosswalk, so you gotta jaywalk. Now, you know how you come to Atlanta, so it's these people, they outside. He talking about some, you wanna watch? We said, nah, we good. He said, you want a rollie? If you selling me a rollie, what you doing out here? I ain't even trying to be funny, like, I mean, I know he probably just trying to have some kind of hustle, but I'm just saying, like, you offering me a rollie? I don't want no freaking rollie. It probably ain't even a rollie. 9 times out of 10, that thing a poly. Oh my gosh, y'all, my hair is freaking growing. Do y'all see that? It's literally freaking growing.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm trying to think, as we're in the car, where else could we really go? We tried to go to the underground, but like I said, it was currently closed, and somebody was having a grand opening for Love and Hip Hop. So right about now, I'm thinking about some food because your girl is hungry. I'm not really sure where else to really go, but you know, it's Atlanta, it's big, so it's a lot to do, but we shall see as the time goes. I freaking love the city. How can you go wrong out here? How? At least I know I'm not the only one that just jaywalk across the freaking street. This man is about to buy a Louis Vuitton jacket from the freaking Atlanta stand. My guy, what? How? How? Guys, I also did an apartment tour, so I'm going to insert some video clips of y'all. I'm going to insert some clips so that you guys can see the apartment. Just to give you guys an idea, because I know I told you guys I'll update you guys on the way, but I really think this one is the one, but I will insert the video.
Until we walk into it, but in the master room, there's a full standing shower with a marble floor, marble.
Oh.
Well, when you get the fan and a little storage thing on the outside too? Yes, sir. Gotcha.
Oh yeah.
I know. And I used to work for Home Depot, so I know what I'm looking at. Well, all our homes look exactly like this. I previous. Oh no, these cannot be the real people indicators. Let me get out there and go look.
Dang.
So in our 2 bedrooms though, some of them I'm. So like I said, everything you see here, the
You guys, so I just made it to Lenox Mall. We're about to go in here and see what we can find. It never hurts to treat yourself. So let's go. We made it to the candy store. They got all kinds of candy. Oh my gosh, you've been obsessed with those. I know you was gonna grab like 2 bags of them. Got a whole thing of like Sour Patches. Oh, look at this, so cute. They got a lot of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, you can get the little Sour Patch Man inside the Sour Patch case. That's neat. Yeah, look what kind of candy they have in here. It's a freaking real Scorpio suckers. It's a Scorpio sucker. What the freak? Then they even have these little crickets, which we bought these, but y'all did not do this. I'm not eating that. Look how little these gummy bears are. They're so small. What's up, y'all? So your girl has currently made it from Lenox. I am right now at Longhorns waiting for a table. So we ended up not going to Hard Rock Cafe. We ended up just coming out to Longhorns. So right now the wait is about 25 minutes. And your girl is going on a date with her crush, as you already see by that title. I know I kind of telling you guys late, but whatever. So I wanted to mention to you guys, it's been a month. June 10th has made a month since I've been working out with my trainer. I am currently 10 pounds down. So I lost 10 pounds in a month and 5 inches of tummy fat off. So I'm super excited. So the progress is there. You know, you just gotta work for it. It's strictly and nothing but straight dedication. So I'm really proud of myself. Also so crazy how much like you can lose weight, like how you can lose weight. It really just depends on what you're eating, what you're drinking, really just the stuff that you're putting inside of your body. I know there is more to come. I just pray to be at my goal come August 23rd, which is my birthday. Super duper excited about that. So, you know, I'm not gonna stop here. I'm only gonna keep going. It's only gonna get better for me. So yeah, I just wanted to share that news with you guys. I wanted to let you guys know that I have not been buying no phone cases, 0 phone cases, like 0. That's another good thing. So that's 2 good news. Third good news is I got pre-approved for this home. I just have to go home on the laptop and finish the rest of the stuff that needs to be done for the apartment. Yes, closer to Atlanta. Actually, it is basically Atlanta, as you can say. I really wanted to get out the Conyers and Covington area. It's nothing really in Conyers and Covington. It's kind of pointless for me to even just stay out here. So I'm kind of trying to, you know, spread my wings and be a little further. Of course, I'm not going to tell you guys the name of the place, but I will show you guys a video, which I probably inserted already. As you can see, the apartment is pretty nice. It's big. I really love the kitchen area. I just know that's the one. That's the one I want. That's the one we're going. Like, that's it. That's it. I really want to say thank you to my new subscribers, my supporters. I freaking love you guys. Thank you for believing in me, whether if I have a small supporter system, a big one, no matter the size, the number, whatever, I'm truly thankful for it. So yeah, thanks for, you know, subscribing, joining the family. It's only gonna get better from here. But with that being said, I'm gonna catch up with you guys once we get inside of Longhorns, okay? I am full. I don't know if you could tell, but I got a little pudge because I am full. I ate so good, but my stomach is whooped. Their mashed potatoes is so good. So if you ever go to Longhorns, get you some mashed potatoes. Like, it was to the point, your girl was like, can I get extra mashed potatoes, extra vegetables? Can I get extra? Because it be that good. Like, I'm telling y'all. I go to the liquor store. And now I'm playing. I was just practicing for when I turned 21.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So you guys, I have currently made it home. I am sitting on the freaking couch about to chug down this bottle of water. My friend, her name is Cinnamon. Her name is Cinnamon the dog. She's a happy dog and I love her. But once I get my new dog, you gotta go. Hey. Gotta go. Fashion supporters, let me know down in the comment section below if you guys are interested in a couples channel. I'm highly thinking about doing a couples channel. You know, we won't put out no boring content. We will put out some real life content, something that you enjoy. We would do like crazy challenges, you know, anything that y'all want us to do, we are willing to go above and beyond. We will do it. Only if I can get 5 people to spam in my comments yes, then feel free to look out for a couples channel and we'll get to it. That being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.